This is a quick demo of the Python notebook for beat detection. In the README, there's some notes on how this started, how to use it. So if I go to terminal, I have the project checked out. I'm just in that directory of the Jupyter notebook, and I'm going to use Docker Compose up. I have Docker running, you can see. This might take longer for you the first time you run it because it's going to build. Man, this is new to Docker, just like unnecessary pausing. Anyway, might take longer to pull images and build, but for me it's quick because I have it running. Now, once those containers are running, I can just go to localhost 8888. That is Jupyter Lab, now being served by Docker Compose in this repo. And this tempo notebook, it's called. Just make sure it's connected to the kernel, and I'm just going to run all the cells with the rerun button. So I have some test cases and test MP3s in here. One of them is this Ed Sheeran song I've been using a lot. I know it's 126 BPM, so I just loaded it in one of these cells. I got nothing left to lose or use. That's about 5 seconds, and then pretty quickly on we start using librosa. That is the Python library I'm using for, it's got a ton of great shit, and some of it is beat detection, onset envelopes, things I don't really understand. But this cell will make a prediction, and it runs hopefully fast enough. That was pretty peppy. And it gets around 126 BPM, and then I overlay the clicks onto the track so we can hear the clicks that it detected. And I'll just play that real quick. Again, the 5 seconds that it analyzed. That sounds good. And again, there's a reported tempo, and then I can look at the differences in between each beat and infer all these different tempos from a minimum of 125 to 130. Median, again, I know this one is 126. All things maybe we can mess with. So then lastly, I'll take that 5 seconds we analyzed, and I got those beats timestamps, and now I'll put them onto future audio so you can see it's 10 seconds long, and just shift them over, and let's see how that sounds. Right now, I think I can start to hear it drift, but I think with a short window we might be okay. Likewise, this second method is just a constant BPM. Just choose one of them and then choose an anchor point. And this is where math nerds might be able to help me. But this also sounds pretty good, and I'll start from the prediction part. So yeah, this would be what we can use with LX Studio for the lights. And I guess I'll stop.